Hey everyone, so in this video, I want to go over how you can end up getting the recent activity in the form of recent posts and recent comments of people. So what you see in the screen right now is we have started with like my name and LinkedIn URL in this case. I used a simple enrichment which you can find by going to this enrichment section, search for recent posts, and you just map the column which has the LinkedIn URL. In this case, the column is by the name of personal LinkedIn URL. Once the setup is done, I ended up running this single cell. I could have done it for the entire sample if I had a very big list. Right now, I have done it only for a single input. Based on this, I was able to fetch all the recent 20 LinkedIn posts done by my account. You can see that the most recent post was done 2 hours ago. And you get all the information for each of these posts, the entire post text, post link. Was it a repost or an original post? When was it posted? How long ago was it posted? And also the social count as well. Now you can choose to make any of these fields as a separate column. So for example, I want this post text for better visibility as a separate column. So whenever you go over any of these values, you will see this option of add as column. If you click on it, a new column will be created with that value populated. I don't need post link for now, so I'll delete it. But rest of the columns that I needed have been added. For example, I wanted the text of the post, so I have got the entire text. I also wanted the posted ago date because I want to see when did this person did the recent activity. So I've got it as 2 hours ago. Now this will give you the time of when you run this cell. Now I ran this cell, the post was done 2 hours ago. So you'll get this value. If tomorrow I do it, we'll get it somewhere 1 hour, one day, sorry. But if you want the exact date, you get this in this field by the name of posted at. And all these different columns have actually been added from going into this result and adding the relevant field using the add as column option. So I did it for posted ago, I did it for posted at. Now, once I have all this raw data, so this is what we mean when we say LinkedIn post enrichment. We have scraped this raw data. Now we want to analyze it. The analysis can be in various ways. One of the ways is you want to see if the person has recently posted, if they have posted in the last 30 days or not. So essentially, I created a Claude column. You can end up using any model, OpenAI, Gemini, or a model of your own. You can again select this column by going to this enrichment, searching for a relevant model. You get multiple options of models here. Right. Once you have selected that model, the process is pretty similar of what you would do in a chat window, which is just write your prompt of the process that you wanted to do. Since we also have some raw data here in the form of these fields, these columns, I can provide it as an input as well. So here you can see that I wrote this, that I'm giving you the time when this post was done, and I gave this input. How do you do that? Whenever you want to give a column as an input, you use @. Using @, you get options to select any column as an input. I can then select that and it will be added inside the prompt as an input. So essentially, this is how I set up the prompt. I also set up the output format. Now this is useful if you want the output in a very specific format. So for example, I wanted the output as a field, which is it posted within last 30 days, and the answer is true and false. So that is why I set up this output format. You don't need to use a lot of brains in this. Just use this use AI option. It will automatically, based on the prompt, decide what is the better way to represent the output. So save it. Once I ran it, you'll see that I got the output in the desired format. For this field, it gave me a value, which is true because of course the post was done 2 hours ago only. So it told me that, okay, within the last 30 days, this person has been active. One more analysis that I did was I gave the recent posts. I gave actually all the recent posts. I gave this column as an input, and I told it to list me all the topics that have been talked about. Right. So when I expand it, you will see it has given me a list of all the topics that have been talked about in all my posts. Right. So this is the kind of analysis that you do on top of LinkedIn enrichment. Use this enrichment. Let us know if you face any issues. Happy to help.